guys, it's me. Well, I got my Japan crate in the mail, and as promised, I will do an unboxing video. So, we shall see. I've never done one of these before. I've never gotten a subscription box before either. So this should be interesting. Came super quick. I'm pretty sure it came, or shipped, I should say. It came today. It shipped Friday, I believe. Friday or Saturday. Either way, it came really quick. It's got a cute little box on the inside. Oh, I'm dropping all my candy. Little, looks like a little comic or something. It's called Japan Crate Magazine, Volume 8. Looks like a, oh, it's the Japan Crate guy. Probably a little comic about candy. Get a Kit Kat. A couple of them. It's probably the green tea ones. I know a couple of my friends wanted to try those. This. Oops, sorry for the glare. This one looks yummy. And looks called Twin Bow. I don't know what that is. I'm probably not going to know what any of these are because my knowledge on Japanese candy is very, very limited. This, it feels squishy but hard. It's grape flavored. Ooh, this looks good. Oh, you actually make it yourself. That's kind of cute. I gotta say, I love Japanese boxing. Everything is super cute or creative, colorful, all that good stuff. Some Norishiro potato chips. Chip Star potato chips. Whatever that is. Now these are cute. Got like a bear, spaceship, little flying bus. All sorts of things. And finally, ooh, lemon candy, my favorite. I am obsessed with lemon candy. And actually, Meiji makes an awesome, hard, soft candy that just kind of like melts in your mouth almost instantly. It is so good. Well, that is everything. And we got a cute little octopus at the bottom of the box. So that is it. Super excited to try all of it, especially the lemon candy. I don't know what any of the other stuff says, so I have no idea what they even are, but that's why I got this, to try candy out. So, thank you for watching, and I might be doing this every month because I already got my premium crate, which comes with like a toy of some sort, and then also a drink with some of this stuff as well. So, alright. See you guys around. Thanks!